How to disappear completely, a practical guide. Disappearing completely, whether for privacy, safety, or a fresh start, means removing yourself from visible networks, reducing your digital footprint, and creating a new identity or life. It's a complex and serious process that requires careful planning and understanding of the legal and ethical implications. Here's a step-by-step guide with 10 key concepts to help you understand how to disappear completely. 1. Define your reason and goals. Before taking any steps, it's crucial to understand why you want to disappear and what you hope to achieve. Whether it's escaping harmful situations or seeking a quieter life, clarity helps you make informed decisions. For example, if safety is your goal, focus on measures that prioritize personal security. 2. Minimize your digital footprint. Reducing your online presence is essential for disappearing. Delete social media accounts, unsubscribe from mailing lists, and remove personal information from public databases. For example, use tools like DeleteMe to request the removal of your data from data brokers. 3. Cut financial ties. Financial records can be used to track your movements. Close unnecessary bank accounts, pay off debts, and avoid using credit cards that leave a trail. For example, switch to cash or prepaid cards for transactions to maintain anonymity. 4. Change your location. Relocating to a new city, state, or even country is a significant step in disappearing. Choose a location where you have no prior connections and ensure you don't share your whereabouts with anyone. For example, move to a region where you can blend in without drawing attention. 5. Create a new identity, legally. Establishing a new identity might involve changing your name or using aliases in casual interactions. However, ensure you follow legal procedures to avoid complications. For example, apply for a name change through the court system if it aligns with your goals. 6. Use secure communication methods. If you must communicate, use encrypted services to maintain privacy. Avoid traditional email and phone services that can be traced. For example, use apps like Signal or ProtonMail for secure messaging. 7. Avoid predictable patterns. To stay unnoticed, avoid routines or behaviors that can make you identifiable. Change your travel routes, shopping locations, and habits regularly. For example, don't frequent places you used to visit often or use recognizable habits that tie you to your past. 8. Manage your social connections. Disconnect from people who might inadvertently reveal your location or identity. This includes limiting contact with friends and family, especially on public platforms. For example, explain to close relatives that your decision is necessary and avoid unnecessary updates. 9. Learn self-sufficiency. To reduce dependence on traceable systems, develop skills that allow you to live off the grid or with minimal external interaction. For example, learn to grow your own food or take up work that doesn't require digital transactions. 10. Understand legal and ethical implications. Disappearing completely can have legal consequences, especially if it involves unpaid debts, custody issues, or avoiding legal responsibilities. Always consult legal experts to ensure your actions are lawful. For example, ensure that changing your name or location doesn't conflict with existing legal obligations. Final thoughts. Disappearing completely is not a decision to take lightly. It requires careful planning, a commitment to privacy, and a willingness to make significant life changes. By understanding these key concepts, you can take the steps necessary to ensure your safety, freedom, or peace of mind. Remember, always prioritize legality and ethics in your actions.